Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a real quick video on side scan. So I use my Lowrance HGS Pro for all my side imaging, side scan, whatever you want to call it, purposes. And I get the question a lot: what frequency should I be running? Here we're on Lake Eufaula. We're kind of looking for brush piles and isolated cover, and I like to use like 455 kilohertz. And the reason why I use 455 versus 800 is that 800 actually ends up disappearing. So watch, I'll show you this. All right, so you put it on 800. The thing to remember about sonar frequencies is the higher the frequency, the less efficiently it's going through the water. So I've got my graph set up to 120 here, which allows me to see a lot of the water, and I'm looking for those little shadows which denote the brush piles, and essentially, with the 800 kilohertz, I can't see very far because it just disappears. But with the 455, I can turn that on and I can see much further, and so I can see all the way out to 120, and if I zoomed out, I probably see even further. So adjusting your frequency based on what you're trying to accomplish is really important. The times that I'm going to be using the 800 is when I want to have less range. So maybe I'm doing like 40 or 50 feet versus the 120 that I'm doing right now. In those situations, the 800 is going to give you more definition. It's going to look like a clearer picture, and you can actually see little details way better on the screen. So if you're changing the range and going out further or narrower, make sure that you change the frequency. That's really super important. And that goes with every single brand of electronics. With Humminbird, it may be the mega side imaging, okay? And in that situation, if I'm wanting to get a bigger picture, I might go ahead and just go down to one of the lower frequencies on the Humminbird. So it doesn't matter what brand you're using, the higher the frequency, and this goes for all other types of sonar technology. That's why, saltwater boats end up using like 50 kilohertz, because the lower the frequency, the more efficiently it goes through water, and the quicker it can get to the bottom and back. And, and that's the reason why it's much better in deeper water situations. So, lower frequencies for deeper water and longer distances, higher frequencies for shorter distances, more definition in shallower water. All right, guys, so hopefully this tip will help you catch more fish using your electronics. If you guys find this video helpful and all the other content that I've got, there's a couple ways that you can support the channel. First off, click that subscribe button, and also share these videos with your friends. And also, in the videos that I put affiliate links in, make sure that you use those affiliate links to purchase whatever products that I talk about. All those things will help support this channel, and I'll keep on creating content just like this. Also, make sure you ask questions in the comment section below. That is how I come up with a lot of the content that I put out there, and I really appreciate everybody's feedback and questions. All right, thank you for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. I'll see you out on the water.